Madonna births a tree in an NFT collaboration for charity. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today. In about a month and a half, Madonna has gone from initially entering the blockchain to becoming one of her own by purchasing her first NFT. Beeple and Madonna have been working on the project, called Mother of Creation, for a year, and they now have 3 one-minute videos to show for it. There's the Mother of Nature, a video showing Madonna's avatar on a surgical table, legs spread as a tree grows out of her. Next is the Mother of Evolution, which shows butterflies coming out of the singer, representing a sign of hope. The series is rounded out by Mother of Technology, which illustrates centipede robots crawling out of Madonna as she lays in a forest, depicting the way science can also give birth light into the world, but only if used with the right consciousness. If you want to know more about NFTs, non-fungible tokens, DeFi, decentralized finance, crypto trading, and the metaverse, then the links below will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. The triptych will be put up for auction on May 11th through the online NFT marketplace Super Rare. In addition, MoonPay, a crypto platform that helped with the project, will be donating $100,000 to each charity. As for Beeple, he knows his way around the NFT game by now. For 15 years, Beeple has been creating a new image every day and sharing it online. Some of the works were even featured on pieces in Nicolas Ghesquierre's Spring-Summer 2019 ready-to-wear collection for Louis Vuitton. Then, in March 2021, a collage of the first 5,000 everydays sold in a Christie's auction for $69.3 million. Now, with Madonna's full participation and Beeple as her guide, NFTs' continuing push into pop culture just got even more powerful. Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. If you're looking to grow your NFT, DeFi, crypto, or metaverse knowledge, then please see the resource links in the description box below. We have Kindle ebooks, print books and audiobooks on all your favorite crypto and blockchain subjects, which will help you get from beginner to advance in no time. Therefore, check the resources in the description box below and start earning today.